Hi guys, well today I'm at the Premier Inn in Hereford. This is their Old Market hotel. They have another one in Hereford as well, beside the bus station. This one's at Old Market. I must admit it's very nice. I'm not quite sure how new this one is, but it's quite clean, it's quite tidy. I'm quite impressed with the room. It's clean, like I say. They have lots of sockets in here for devices, and there's also 3 USB sockets as well, so that's also always a plus. This one also seems to have a little settee in, which I wasn't expecting, which is nice. I can watch TV on a settee rather than actually watching it in the bed. So yeah, I mean, price wise maybe a bit cheaper, but you know, it's March 2023, and because of the rail strike I had to book this at last minute, so you sort of grab what you can get. But yeah, you know, like most Premier Inns, there is a restaurant. You have their breakfast deal and their meal deals and thing. I think breakfast is probably better than their dinner selection if one has looked at the menu. But obviously that's just personal preference. And I also think their breakfasts are far better than Travelodge's. I think it's always have been, maybe not as good as Holiday Inn breakfasts, but definitely worth the money. Okay, and I'll definitely have one tomorrow morning. So anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoy the review and I hope you enjoy the pictures of this room. So okay, thanks. See you next time, guys. Bye.